Welcome to today's craft with letter M. Mask. Here I have the mask of a lion. I took out a printout on a white sheet and then I cut the outline and then I pasted it on a thicker sheet. Now I am going to color the lion using yellow, orange, light brown, all these colors using my oil pastels. You may also choose to use color pencils, or if you feel confident you can use poster colors also. So it's up to you. I'm leaving that to you, what type of colors you want to use. Color the lion and then we are again going to cut it. The thick sheet is going to help us make the mask stronger, and after we finish the coloring then we are going to make holes at the corners. We are going to cut out the eyes and then we'll have our mask ready. So let's start. Ma'am has taken orange and brown. I am going to use brown for the inside portion and I am going to use orange for the outside portion, and here on the nose I am going to use black, and here in the mouth also I am going to use black. So let's start coloring the lion. Take your time with coloring, and the best way to color is to color the outline first. Color near the outline first and slowly, don't rush. There is no rush. Alright, color the outline first and then you can fill the color inside. Wow, it is coming out so well. Alright, so ma'am has colored the mane with orange color, and now ma'am is going to use brown for the inner part. So let's start. Again we color the outline first, the mouth and the nose, the tip of the nose I'm going to leave and I'm going to use black color there. First color the outline and then fill color inside. And don't rush, there is no hurry. Complete your coloring carefully. We are going to cut out the eyes later on. Here we are almost done with the brown coloring. Children, when you are coloring your mask, it is not necessary that you have to take the lion mask only. You may choose another mask. If you don't want to take out a printout, you can draw an outline and color that. So here we are done with brown as well. Now we are going to use black for the tip of the nose and the inner portion of the mouth. See, ma'am is coloring the outline first. It always helps. Then even if your crayons, even if you're coloring faster, the crayons will stop here in between the outline so that the color does not go outside. Be patient with your coloring, do not rush. Fill it up completely. And after this I am going to show you a trick also. It's a very interesting trick. Now this portion I'm going to color very carefully because it is smaller and there is a chance of the color going outside the outline. Oh, ma'am has been successful. All right, now we are done with coloring. Now look at this. What is this? This is a tissue paper, right? Now I am going to fold it a little more and I am going to use this as an eraser. Yes, but I am not going to erase the colors. I am going to smoothen them. I am going to smoothen them out. Here, look at this. Wherever there is a little bit of white left, even tiny bit of white portion left, when we use the tissue paper over it, it smoothens out the colors everywhere. Now look at the difference. Look at the difference. You will not find any white portion after you use the tissue paper, and it will increase the quality also of your coloring. See, there is a difference. Can you note? So your mama, papa or your elders can help you. See, the color has come here also, but the color did not get removed. It in fact smoothened out. There is a difference between this part and this part, as you can see. So when we use the tissue paper over the pastel colors, the crayons, it smoothens out the texture and it makes the outcome look even better. Wow, just look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So I'm going to do this to orange, brown and black, and then you will see that there is a difference, and then we are going to cut out. Alright, so you can see there is a difference between the before using of the tissue paper image and the after image, looking like a real lion now, right? So now we are going to use the scissors and we are going to cut the outline along with the outline, right? And we are going to get our mask ready very quickly. We have to cut carefully. Small tiny portions we can remove alongside or later, like this. Okay. Yeah. So we move ahead and we complete the cutting of the outline. Wow. Here we are ready with the mask. Ma'am has cut out the eyes also, and now we are going to use the punching machine to punch out the hole right here. The border is here, so we are going to punch out a hole right here. And we can use a ribbon, a rubber band to tie both the ends so that our mask is ready. Wow, just look at this. I can see you. My mask is ready. So make sure that you also take a printout or draw an animal of your choice and make a nice mask and click your photograph and send to man. Wow, take care.